Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 35 years old, and I live in a small, cozy house with my husband, James, and our two children, Emma and Jack. I am a housewife, and my main job is to take care of my family and make sure everything runs smoothly at home. Let me share what my day looks like. It's always busy but filled with love. Every day starts at 6 a.m. When my alarm rings loudly, I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and get out of bed. The first thing I do is brush my teeth with minty toothpaste. The cold water on my face wakes me up completely. Next, I head to the kitchen. It's still quiet, and the house feels peaceful. I start making breakfast. I fry some eggs, toast slices of bread, and brew fresh coffee for James and myself. The smell of coffee fills the air, and it makes me feel energized. For the kids, I make pancakes topped with sweet syrup and fresh fruit. At 7 a.m., we all gather around the dining table to eat breakfast together. This is one of my favorite times of the day. We talk about the plans for the day. Emma mentions her art project, and Jack is excited about his soccer game at school. James, as usual, cracks a funny joke that makes everyone laugh. After breakfast, it's time to get everyone ready. I help Emma and Jack pack their school bags and double-check that they haven't forgotten anything. At 7:30 a.m., the kids leave for school on the school bus, and James drives to work. I wave goodbye to them, feeling a mix of relief and love. Once the house is quiet, I start my morning chores. At 8 a.m., I grab the vacuum cleaner and tidy up the living room. The sound of the vacuum fills the house, but I feel satisfied seeing the clean, fresh carpet afterward. Then, I dust the furniture and organize the shelves. By 10 a.m., I move on to the laundry. The smell of soap fills the laundry room as I load the washing machine with clothes. While the clothes are washing, I water the plants in the garden. The sun feels warm on my face, and the bright flowers always cheer me up. At 11 a.m., I sit down with a cup of tea and make my grocery list. I enjoy this little break. It's my me time to relax and gather my thoughts. At 12 p.m., it's time to prepare lunch. I cook a simple but healthy meal, like grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. I also chop extra vegetables for dinner later to save time. After eating, I clean up the kitchen and take a short rest. Sometimes I read a book, listen to soft music, or even take a quick nap if I feel tired. By 2 p.m., I head to the market for groceries. The market is lively, with people chatting and colorful stalls full of fresh produce. I pick out ripe tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and juicy oranges. The shopkeepers know me well and always greet me with a smile. At 3 p.m., the children come home from school. Their energy fills the house, and it's wonderful to hear their stories. I give them a snack, cookies and milk for Jack, and fruit for Emma. Then, we sit together, and I help them with their homework. Sometimes, Jack struggles with math, but we work through it together. Emma, on the other hand, loves to show me her drawings. At 5:30 p.m., I start preparing dinner. Today, I'm making spaghetti with tomato sauce and a side salad. The kitchen is warm and smells delicious as I chop garlic and stir the sauce. The kids sometimes join me to help set the table or mix ingredients. By 7 p.m., dinner is ready, and we all sit down to eat together. This is another special time of the day. James tells us about his day at work, and the kids share funny moments from school. We laugh, talk, and enjoy each other's company. After dinner, I clean the kitchen while the kids relax with a book or play quietly. By 8:30 p.m., it's time for their bedtime routine. I help them brush their teeth and read them a bedtime story. Emma loves fairy tales, while Jack prefers stories about animals. By 9 p.m., they're both tucked into bed. Once the kids are asleep, James and I finally have some time for ourselves. Sometimes we watch a TV show together, or we sit and talk about our plans for the weekend. It's a peaceful and relaxing way to end the day. By 10:30 p.m., I'm ready for bed. I feel tired but happy as I reflect on the day. I am grateful for my family and the little moments that make life special. This is my daily routine as a housewife. Every day is busy, but it is filled with love, laughter, and small joys that make it all worth it.